So I'm going to go ahead and start recording now, and again, we will be talking about email marketing training, setting up templates and everything. So a little housekeeping tip for everybody: if that GoToMeeting chat box is still showing up on your screen, you can click on the arrow that's pointing to the right, and that should minimize that for you, so you'll see a bit of a larger screen there. Also, for those of you that are on the call, and I didn't say this earlier, you are all on mute. So at the end of the training session, we are going to have time for questions and answers, and there is a little questions section on that GoToMeeting chat box. So just pull that back up, and at the end, I'll give you plenty of time to type in those questions that you might have, so we can cover that during the session as well. But this is typically the agenda that we cover during our email training course here. And what we're going to be talking about is how to create personal templates and professional email templates in Lasso. So I don't know anything about HTML code. I mean, I know a little bit, but I don't know enough to actually create templates. So I do that through using tables and different items that we have available in our editor. So I'm going to show you guys how to use those. We'll also go over how you can insert a web preview link. So lots of times people are unable to see your template, so this will allow them to click on a link and see that in their browser. There's also a section in the template editor where you can set up a test email list and send this test email out to different accounts that you set up, so you can see how those are going to render before you actually do send that out. We also have some advanced technology in the template section that allows you to put a link into your template that will basically allow you to get an RSVP response from people or surveys from people, but anything in the form of a question you can send out through a link inside of your email template, and we call this the SSRU, or self-serve registrant update capability in the system. So it's really a cool function. I have an example that I have set up, so I'll show you how that functions and how to actually insert that link, but it is a great tool to use in your templates just to get some interaction from your recipients. Then we'll also review how you can set up an email campaign in your system. There's also an area where you can set up media expenses that you have regarding advertisement that you might be doing, so you can go ahead and basically enter in costs or expenses